Thinking about getting French bangs but scared of ruining your hair? In this video, I'll show you a simple method step by step, along with some useful tips to help you get a soft and natural French bangs look. French bangs are soft, airy bangs that frame the face naturally. Unlike heavy, blunt bangs, they blend smoothly with the rest of your hair and can make your face look softer. Before cutting, make sure your hair is dry and detangled. Start longer than you think you need because you can always trim more later, but you can't put the hair back. Step 1. Section the hair. Let's start by creating the bang section. Place 3 fingers across your hairline to help measure the width. Then, make a small triangle section at the front and separate it from the rest of your hair. This section will become your French bangs, so don't make it too wide. Step 2. Divide the hair. Now divide that front section into 2 equal parts. Keep both sections neat and even because they'll create the soft face framing pieces. Taking your time here will make the final result look much more balanced. Step 3. Cross and cut the side sections. Cross the 2 side sections in front of your face to form an X shape. Using your jawline as a guide, carefully trim the ends. This creates soft layers that frame your face instead of leaving a blunt edge. Step 4. Create the center bangs. Next, let's work on the center bangs. Place 2 fingers on your hairline and take a small section from the middle, lining it up with the center of your eyes. Keeping this section small will give you light, airy bangs. Step 5. Cut the center bangs. Comb the center section straight down and decide how long you'd like your bangs to be. Make a straight cut slightly longer than your ideal length. You can always trim more later, but you can't add hair back once it's cut. Step 6. Soften the ends. To make the bangs look natural, lightly trim into the ends using small vertical cuts instead of cutting straight across. This softens the edge and gives French bangs their signature wispy finish. Step 7. Take hair from behind the ear. Now take a small section of hair from just behind each ear. These strands will blend your new bangs into the rest of your hairstyle and create a softer transition. Step 8. Cut the face framing pieces. Hold those sections gently and cut them diagonally toward your jawline. This angle creates face framing layers that blend beautifully with the bangs and give the hairstyle a more natural look. Step 9. Style the bangs. Now it's time to style your French bangs. Use your fingers or a round brush to shape them into place. Adjust the parting until the bangs fall naturally around your face, and your new look is complete. Safety tip. If you're cutting your own hair for the first time, trim a little at a time and check the length often. It's much easier to remove more hair than to fix bangs that have been cut too short. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If I missed any tips or you have your own suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.